Hey everyone, it's Marek here from stratever.com and welcome to my Commission Seeker review. Right now I'm on the sales page of Commission Seeker, and during this review, I'm gonna give you a full run through and full demo of exactly how it works and what it does. Commission Seeker product was created by young Spanish marketer Cynthia Benitez. She lives currently in UK and that's her second product already. Why you should to grab this product? Well, it's a proven method. You don't need a website or email list. It's a 100% newbie-friendly method. It contains step-by-step case study training by Cynthia. There is no experience required whatsoever. You don't need to make videos. You don't need to make any website, and she will show you how to send a flood of traffic to your offers. There is no need for product creation at all. And as I said, it's a newbie friendly. It contains a 30-day money back guarantee, and it's a really great product. Commission Seeker is an underrated method that helps you make commissions starting the very same week. You can truly use the Commission Seeker method to get fast results online, even if you have never made any money online before. With the Commission Seeker method, you can easily make $100 in one day with barely doing any effort. Well, it needs some effort, obviously, and it needs some work also. No experience is required to make this method work. Everything you need is explained on the training. It's a full over-the-shoulder case study training. Follow along as she walks you through the whole method step by step. And it's a repeatable method, and you can do it over and over again, and you can cash on it. So let's check the members area now of Commission Seeker. It contains 10 models. She provides you 4 additional bonuses and 5th unannounced bonus, which is free software. So let's have a look on models. The first model is welcome model, where she welcomes you into the product. Second model, it's overview of the members area. She will walk through into members area with this short 2-3 minutes video, and she will give you some tips. In model number 3, she will go through account setup, YouTube channel setup. Now in model 4 and 5, it's all about the research in both models, where she researching popular channels on YouTube by strong marketers. In model 6, she will go through it's called the contact. That means she will go through the way how to contact those owners of these channels. Model 7 is all about the waiting. So you will contact those members and those owners, and you will wait for their response. After they respond, so it follows with agreement with them. So model 8 is all about agreement, how to set up agreement, what tools use to properly set up this agreement, and how to get it done properly. In model 9, we will talk about the result, what was the output from this agreement, and all this training. And model 10, eventually, she will wrap everything together and she will give you some advices what's next. Then she will provide you with bonuses. So is a bonus 1 is best way to make money 2020. In bonus 2, how to build a list fast. In bonus 3 is how to make money for free with some free methods. Bonus 4, she will provide you with a freebie page and free software in unannounced bonus number 5. Now, I have also put together a ton of bonuses with the permission of a friend of mine, John Armstrong, who provided bonuses for me, and I am allowed to use them and give it to you when you purchase this product. If you click on the link, and you will get through. Let's have a look at the prices and upsells for this product. So price for the front-end product, the basic commission seeker product is $7.95, which is the price for 2 coffees or 1 pizza, and it's really affordable. OTO1 is a commission seeker advanced for $17, where she will learn you some advanced methods. OTO number 2 is commission seeker Rolodex for $37, where she will provide you with her outsourced channels, and you can use them to your advantage. OTO number 3 is a commission seeker reseller rights for $67, where without OTO you can resell the product and keep all profits for you. And OTO number 4 is a coaching from Cynthia Benitez for $197. Let's have a look at my bonuses. Bonus number 1 is a bonus tutorial from 0 to 100 in 24 hours by John Armstrong. Bonus number 2 is how to make 100 a day from your smartphone. It's also a tutorial by my friend John Armstrong, and it's a very great product. Bonus number 3, it's a bonus tutorial, John's Bing Ads hacks. Bing Ads is well-known advertising network. Now it's called Microsoft Ads, and it's John's tutorial how to set up campaigns and how to make profit with these ads. Bonus number 4 is how to build a blog, which is very useful. Every marketer should have a WordPress website and set up a blog and write on it some good stuff. And the special bonus, it's all vendor bonuses included, so it's useful too. Now, this bonus page will be available by Wednesday, 6th of May, so it's just 5 days and 11 hours. So if you click this link, you can secure your copy and your bonuses. All those bonuses are yours if you pick up this product through my link by Wednesday, May 5th. So thank you for watching my Commission Seeker review. Thank you, and I'll speak you on the next one. Bye bye.